Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to see how we are going to create a post on Reddit using Flutter. So as you can see, it is same code from the previous video where we have authenticated the user now. Now we are going to I can say create post. So for that, just for feedback purpose, because in previous code there was no feedback at all. So here we are going to add flutter toast. You can or can't add, it just depends on you. It was added by me for just feedback so that the post is published there or created, I can say. So as it is running, okay. Now what we are going to do is we are going to clean this column a little bit. We are going to remove these two widgets. We are going to create a few more variables. And we are going to create a function called post, which will take these things and post it on Reddit. In this function, what we are going to do is we are going to again create a, I can say, subreddit variable. Okay, let's just it be, then red dot subreddit. Now here we are going to put our post in python sandal.reddit. Sorry, python sandal.subreddit. So I'm just copying and pasting it. It is, I can say, a subreddit where you can spam a lot. Here you can check if your app is working fine or not. It was created for that purpose. So here you are going to just await dot submit. Okay, here it is title, and here you have to add self text. Okay, if I'm not wrong, it should be this one. And once it is done, we are just going to show a toast message here that it is done. So for that we have to import this plugin. Okay, now for that you have to make some changes here. Okay, so here you can see I have added text field, one for title and one for text. One is for text, and I added one more elevated button so that after you click this, the post method gets called and here the post will be created. So if you can check this by running this out. I've checked this on Python sand a lot and it worked for me. Make sure that you use this git version. At the time of recording, the version 1.0.1 is breaking currently because of casting issues, but in future if it works, then just upgrade it to another future versions. Okay, thank you guys. If you like this content, like the video, and subscribe. And if you want, uh, if you are in search of few more amazing projects which will enhance your project and make your task easier, don't forget to turn on the bell notifications and keep watching other videos.